Creating a zip file in DataStage. It sounds simple, but let's get it right. First, we'll use the ISTOOL command because clicking randomly won't work. Next, authentication parameters, because DataStage doesn't just let anyone in. Then naming and setting the archive path, like labeling your lunch in the office fridge. Finally, we export the assets as an ISX file, because neatly packed files are better than a digital mess. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Welcome to DataStage, IBM's tool that makes data integration less of a headache. It's built to process large amounts of structured data, transforming it with precision. Think of it as the ultimate organizer. It extracts, cleans up, and loads data where needed. Bonus, it supports parallel processing, meaning it multitasks better than most of us on a Monday morning. Exporting files in DataStage is like packing for a trip. You need to be precise. It lets us extract project assets in a structured format, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle. With ISX files, data integrity is maintained, avoiding the infamous "why is my file corrupted" panic. Plus, it helps with smooth migration, so your data moves with no unwanted surprises. Welcome to the Windows command line. It's like the backstage pass to your system. First, open the command prompt, easy enough, right? Next, get comfy navigating folders because we need to be in the right place to work. Once you're there, executing commands is a breeze, okay, maybe a slight breeze with a learning curve. Finally, understanding command syntax ensures we don't accidentally summon digital gremlins. Finding ISTOOL shouldn't feel like a treasure hunt, but here we are. First, check its installation folder because sometimes things hide in plain sight. If it's elusive, environment variables might reveal its location. The where command is like GPS for your command line, pinpointing exactly where it resides. Finally, let's verify it works, because nothing's worse than finding something only to discover it won't cooperate. Time to export. First, let's set up parameters correctly, because misconfiguration is the fastest way to frustration. Next, selecting the right format ensures the output isn't a jumbled mess. Running the export command should ideally go smoothly, but let's be real, errors love making surprise appearances. Lastly, checking for errors saves us from future headaches. Compression time. First, locate zip.exe because tools only work when we can actually find them. Understanding its syntax ensures we don't accidentally zip the wrong files or, worse, nothing at all. Running the zip command should feel like sealing a neat package. Finally, confirming the compression means we won't be greeted by empty archives later. Our ISX file deserves a snug zip treatment. First, selecting the correct file is key. We don't want to zip the wrong thing. Compression options help us find the balance between size and efficiency. Running the zip command feels satisfying when everything goes smoothly. Finally, verifying the zipped file makes sure our work isn't lost in some digital abyss. Time for quality controls. First, checking integrity ensures our zip isn't corrupt, because surprises are fun but not broken files. Next, verifying contents means everything we zipped is actually inside. Testing extraction is the moment of truth. Will it unzip properly? Lastly, confirming usability means we've done our job well. Feels good, doesn't it? And that's a wrap. Always follow best practices because shortcuts can lead to headaches. Verify each step because assumptions can cause chaos. Automate where possible because efficiency is king. Lastly, backups are your safety net, and trust me, one day you'll thank yourself for them. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.